Flodex is a simple and very useful apparatus to comply with USP Chapter 1, 174, powder flow, subsection, flow through an orifice, to measure the flowability index of the powder. Once you have installed the apparatus as mentioned in the Flodex operation manual, weigh about 100 grams of powder in a beaker and pour it through the stainless steel funnel. Allow it to accumulate in the cylinder. When the powder is deposited in the cylinder, wait for 30 seconds for it to settle. Slowly turn the release bar to open the closer plate. Powder will start flowing through an orifice of the disc. Powder should flow smoothly. When the powder stops flowing, visually inspect inside the cylinder to see if the hole is completely visible and the inverted cone shape is formed. This is called a positive test. Repeat the test 3 times per disc until the test is negative, in which the powder will not flow. The smallest orifice size of the disc opening from which the powder can flow properly is the flowability index in millimeters. Alternatively, using a stopwatch, determine the time it takes for powder to flow through the disc. Weigh the collected powder that has passed through the disc. Calculate the flow rate in grams per second or grams per minute. For example, if 70 grams pass through the disc in 35 seconds, the flow rate is 2 grams per second or 120 grams per minute. For more details, refer to USP Chapter 1, 174 and the Flodex Operation Manual.